This is a diode. It has two terminal, anode and cathode. Now let's check it on multimeter. Take a multimeter and select the continuity mode on multimeter. Now put the diode here. It is the positive probe of multimeter. Put it on the anode of diode, and this is the negative probe of multimeter. Put it on the cathode of diode. It will show continuity on multimeter. Now let's change the probe. Positive is connected to the anode is connected to the negative probe of multimeter. It will not show the value. So from this we know that this diode is a normal diode. Now let's check this diode. Apply the method that we do previously. The negative probe of multimeter is connected to the cathode and the positive probe is connected to the anode. It will show continuity. Now change the polarity. By changing the polarity, it also show the continuity. So this diode is not a normal diode.